In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.